Hello, welcome again. Welcome to this video. I want to show you how to edit the source code of the expert advisor IFA Global Expert. So I know that is sometimes very difficult to edit a source code because you need to know how to program, or you need to program in experts and things like that. But this could be the basic things about how to can edit a source code, and this is for you. It's a service that people ask me about, so I will to show you how to do that. And also I will to show you how to install the bot. Please put attention and let's start. We have the source code over here. This is the complex code that we have of the expert. We can see that is too large, and it's integrate all the indicators, parameters and things like that this bot has, that is the IFA Global Expert, because this expert work with three different bots at the same time, and that's the way that the experts can earn profit and can get win every trade that they made. Alright, so it's a long code of everything, so it's so large. You can see anything. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you know how to do that, please, I just recommend to don't move anything that if you don't know how to do that. Alright, so I just show you the expert. So over here we have the expert. So now I will show you how to install the expert first, and the strategy that I recommend to use with this expert. Alright, so I go to my broker. Here in my broker we are going to install the expert advisor. Probably you know how to do this, but just I will show you how to do that. Alright, so let me see. I will to install here. Alright, so if you want to install the expert advisor, it's really easy. You need to go here and go to the open data folder. I will provide all the information that you need to do this. Alright, you go here and go to the experts. So in the expert you need to paste the IFA Global Expert. That is the document that I will provide you, and that is this. You need to copy and paste to this. This is the folder of the broker, so you just need to paste here. I want to replace only the document, but it's really good. You can close this and you can go back to your broker. It's not here, it's this one. Go back to your broker, and here you need to refresh to appear in this part. Alright, so it's really easy to do that. Alright, so if it's your first time in the plataforma in T4, I recommend to go here to the tools and go options, and here go to the experts advisors, and I build this, that is automatic trading, and this one too. Okay, choose to work property the bot. Alright, to install the bot, you need to follow this step because it's very important. Right now I am using only 2 pairs that I recommend to use, so please follow this step because this is very important. I want to add a new chart over here. You can see I have a bot working here. Don't see the parameters because I have sense accounts, and I can use different loads for the sense accounts. Probably you don't know that, or you don't know that, but it's very important to understand. Alright, if you have a standard account, I will give you the lot that you need to use. Alright, so I'm just going to take the expert, that is this or is this, to the chart. I will draw off in the chart. Here we can see all the parameters that the bot has. So here you need to put attention, because this is the most important things in the expert advisor. All right, so if you have a standard account, I recommend to have a leverage 1 to 50. All right, so try to open an account with your broker with 1 to 50. All right, so in the lot, this is the lot that we open the trade. We will put 0.01. If you have an account with $2,000 or more, you can increase a little bit this, probably 2, probably 3. With this you can earn more money, but you know, sometimes the drawdown will be more, but you need to have control of this. All right, the lot exponent here, we are going to put 0.55, and here is the most important thing. We are going to put 350, and this is doesn't matter because the lot is so it doesn't matter. All right, so the take profit that we will use is 15. All right, here we are going to evaluate use the trailing stop. This is a tool that have the bot. Probably you can understand very well, but we are going to put 40 and trailing start and 40, trailing stop and 45 is to optimize the expert advisor. Every single trade that the bot will be open with if it was scalper is 20, the max. I want to leave all like that because it has many trades. All right, so now I need to put OK, and now you will see that the bot will be open some trades, but the real thing right now is that the market is closed, and so we need to wait for the market open to start to work in everything. So this is the setup. Remember that the time frame need to be in 5 minutes. All right, first that you need to do this in 5 minutes. All right, and check the properties of the bot, and remember that this is the setup that I recommend to use. All right, check all these things because you can put the expert advisor when the market open. So now we'll continue with the next pair, that is CAT-CHEF. We are going to take the expert again and draw here. Here we are going to put is the same setup. All right, it's the same setup. Okay, so the trailing stop, remember here is fails, we are going to evaluate, so we are going to put 40 and 45 here to optimize the expert advisor. All right, so everything will be the same. Remember that the expert need to be in 5 minutes, and when the market open, the expert will be start probably when you want to install in the afternoon when the market is open. Everything is very well. All right, this is the part of the installation of the strategy that I use. I only use these two pairs. Remember that is your USD and CAT-CHEF. All right, so you just need to be in 5 minutes and put all these things that I can that I put in there. All right, thank you very much. I will continue with the next part. Just follow me and follow me my steps, and you will be install everything. This is the next part of the video. Here we are going to explain you how to edit a source code, or how you can open the source code in the meta editor here. All right, I don't know too much about that, but I know how this work a little bit. All right, that's the reason that I make this video, to show you how to do that. I have the source code. I never used it before, but I know how to do that and how to change some things. And let's start. All right, so here we need to go to the meta editor. This is the part of MetaTrader 4 that the programmers use to edit, to create different experts and things like that. I don't know too much about it, about I just tried. All right, so right now we are going to close this, and we are going to open a new we can put there next name global editor lower expert 1. all right, I choose next and finish. So right now we have this, that is this file that we already create. I can see that this file has some things that already making inside, but we are going to delete everything, so it's on blank only. All right, okay, right now I have the IFA Global Expert full here because I put it in there, but I will show you how to do that. All right, you can go to the file and you can go to the open data folder. In the open data folder you can go here in the MQL4 and you can go to the expert advisors. Here you can see this is the file that we already copied, but it's the file that I want to provide you because it's the open source. All right, we have here, I want to provide you this file to see to do this. All right, so go back to the where is located that. So here we are going to page and we are going to say I want to replace. All right, so we are going to close this. Now I will go back to the where I want to refresh, and this file will be appear like that. All right, so the next thing that you need to do is double click in the expert, and here you can find all the source code and everything. All right, so now just need to copy all the source code. I will to copy right that, and I will go back to this one. All right, here we are going to page. You don't need to move nothing right now, just need to copy exactly the same. All right, so now we can place and we can see that we don't have any error. All right, so why we don't have any error? Now we are going to see the open. We are going to see the let me check. This is all the code, so we need to be patient with this because it's really difficult to identify things that has the bold, and sometimes it's really difficult to edit any part of this. But if you know how to do this, I think that is not a problem for you. All right, just let me check some things. Okay. All right, this is the part that that I want to show you, because here we have the vault, we have the license or the expiration license. Alright, right now we have that the expiry license is in 2019 11 or year, month, day, expiration. Alright, the license, and please visit this is the creator of the vault. Alright, right now we can save all the change that we have right now here. So we are going to save the file or like that. Okay, so we already saved, and now we can go back to the broker, and we can refresh here to see that the file is here. Just let me find the expert. Alright, it's this one. Alright, global expert 1. Okay, we are going to prove the expert. We are going to go with this and this one. Alright, we are going to prove with one page that is working right now, that is the market of crypto, that is like on to USD. We are going to add a chart, and here we are going to try to draw to the chart, and here we can see all the parameters. Remember that always need to be live trading and things like that. This is the input of the bot. Right now we are going I just need to see that the bot work. Alright, when I try to open in this player, happen this, licenses, please visit ifp.com. The reason that happened this is because the license is end right now, so I'm just going to put okay. I want to remove the expert advisor because apparently it's not working anymore. Alright, so I will accept. Remember that we have this file, so I go back to this one, and here we are going to change the period. We are going to put 2020, and I want to put over there. Alright, the alert was the same, so about here you can edit only these things. Let me show you how to edit this. Alright, so here we can change the name of this person. I will put my name, I will put my name. Alright, so now I need to save the file again. I want to put save, or I want to put save here. Alright, I want to replace, and now we will see that this work or no work. Alright, here the same pair, the same area. You need to refresh here. Alright, and we need to drop off on here. Alright, so I just need to that everything are good. So now in the expert advisor you will be see, let me see, that is alright, minimum expert copyright, things like that. Okay, so now we are going to okay in the vault, and I need to wait to see that this work or no work, and voila, it's work the vault, and open the trades and things like that. Alright, so the source code is working very well. I don't know how to edit all the expert that have integrated this expert, that is expert advisor EvolveMarket, but I know that it's work very well, so I want to try to make a test to see that this work property. Alright, this is the expert and the $1, and I will use the just to make a test 1 hour. Just let me show you how to do this. Probably you know how to test about. It's a way how you can find different strategies. Alright, let me show you how this works. We are going to change this, and now you can see that the bot is where property. Alright, so we need to wait for the test and well, it's everything that I want to show you. Thank you very much for everything. I will add this video to the YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe, I will appreciate that. Alright, thank you for that and for everything, and I hope to see you soon.